Yeah, all silk. Yes, when she says that, what are they like? All silk, I bet, said Peggy. Yeah, all silk, all color. Venda says, yes, all, I have 100 dresses. All are well lined up. They are silk and in different colors. So Peggy asks that, velvet too? Means, do you have any velvet dress also? So Venda says, yeah, velvet too. 100 dresses. Venda would repeat solidly. Stolidly, stolidly, not showing any feeling. Means, without any feelings, he says, yes, 100 dresses. All lined up in my closet. All lined up in my क्लोजेट मीन्स मेरी अलमीरा में सब कुछ बहुत अच्छे, सारी ड्रेसें अच्छे से रखी हुई हैं. देन दे वुड लेट हर गो. आफ्टर दैट शी गोज एंड देन बिफोर शी वुड गोन वेरी फार, जब वो थोड़ी दूर चली जाती है, दे कुडंट हेल्प बस्टिंग इनटू shrieks and peals of laughter. And she is not far away. She had moved a bit. They start bursting into a great laughter. 100 dresses means ऐसे मजाक उड़ा रही हैं. 100 dresses. Obviously, the only dress Vanda had was the blue one she wore every day. They are talking that whatever we know, that she has a only blue dress and she wears it every day. So why did she say she had 100? फिर वो ये क्यों कहती है कि उसके पास 100 ड्रेसेज हैं? हम तो जानते हैं कि उसके पास एक ही ब्लू कलर की ड्रेस है जो उसको रोज पहनती है. What a story. How many shoes did you say you had? Means they asking, आपके पास जूते कितने हैं? Vanda says 60 pairs. 60 pairs, all lined up in my closet. And they all are kept properly in my almirah. Cries of exaggerated politeness greeted this. All alike. मतलब बड़ी पोलाइटली सारे कहते हैं, अच्छा सारे एक जैसे हैं क्या? Oh no, every pair is different. All colors, all lined up. सारे कलर के हैं. All lined up means all are kept well. Peggy, who had thought up this game? Peggy, who had thought up this game. This game was all generated by Peggy and Maddie, her inseparable friend. I have already told you that Peggy and Maddie are best friends, but this story, this asking question and making fun game was invented by Peggy itself. Were always the last to leave. लास्ट टू लीव का मतलब सबसे लास्ट में यही दोनों जाती थी जब इस तरह के एपिसोड्स होते थे मजाक उड़ाने के. फाइनली वेंडा वुड मूव अप द स्ट्रीट, हर आईज डल एंड हर माउथ क्लोज्ड, hitching her left shoulder every now and then in the funny way she had finished the walk to school home. Means after this all episode कि उसका मजाक उड़ाया जा रहा है, her eyes became dull. जब वो अपने घर जा रही होती है तो उसकी आंखें डल हो जाती हैं. शी बिकम्स सैड एंड हर माउथ इज क्लोज्ड. हिचिंग हर लेफ्ट शोल्डर एवरी नाउ एंड देन, बार बार अपने लेफ्ट शोल्डर को ऊपर नीचे करती है. इन अ फनी वे शी हैड फिनिशिंग द वॉक टू स्कूल अलोन. मीन्स शी इज गोइंग टू स्कूल, नॉट होम राइट नाउ. शी इज गोइंग टू स्कूल राइट नाउ. Okay, so in the next paragraph you can see Peggy was not cruel. The another aspect is there. Peggy was not cruel. She protected small children from bullies. Bullies means those people, stronger and powerful people who frighten weaken people. Means वो छोटे बच्चों को डराते धमकाते हैं. That is called bullies. So she was not cruel. And what she used to do, she protected small children from bullies, and she cried for hours if she saw an animal mistreated. if an animal is mistreated, किसी एनिमल के साथ अगर कुछ गलत ट्रीट हो रहा है तो वो घंटों तक रोती रहती थी. If anybody had said to her, don't you think that is a cruel way to treat Wanda? जब कोई उससे ये कहता था कि don't you think that whatever you do with Wanda that is cruelty? She would have been very surprised. तो वो बड़ा सरप्राइज होती थी. Cruel? Why did the girl say she had 100 dresses? यानी कि उसको पैगी को ये लगता था कि वेंडा जो है वो उससे झूठ बोलती है. जब वो क्वेश्चन पूछती है कि हाउ मेनी ड्रेसेज एंड हाउ मेनी शूज यू हैव, तो वो कहती है कि हाउ कैन आई बी क्रूएल. वो ये क्यों कहती है कि उसके पास 100 ड्रेसेज हैं. एनीबडी कुड टेल दैट वाज अ लाई. मीन्स एनीबडी कैन इजिली से दैट शी इज लाइंग बिकॉज शी हैज अ वन ओनली सिंगल ड्रेस ऑफ ब्लू कलर एंड फेडेड इन कलर she wears every day. So why she lies that she has 100 dresses? So that's why it's not cruel. Why did she want to lie? She is asking why did she want to lie? And she wasn't just an ordinary person. Else why did she have a name like that? वो कोई ऑर्डिनरी पर्सन नहीं है. मीन्स एक जनरल आम आदमी जैसे हमारे नेचुरल लोग हैं वैसा नहीं है. Why don't you think that her name is something different? Anyway, they never made her cry. मतलब इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस ने कभी उसको अपसेट नहीं किया. never made her cry. Here in the case of Wanda, Peggy never thinks that she is wrong, she is doing any cruelty with Wanda. But naturally she is a very sensitive girl. She is not cruel. She crying when she says that some animal, even the animals are mistreated, and she helps small children from bullying. As for Maddie, ये तो हुई बात पैगी की. As for Maddie, this business of asking Wanda every day how many dresses and how many hats and how many this and that she had was bothering her. Maddie is a kind of girl who thinks that this is wrong. कि रोज उससे पूछा जाए कि तुम्हारे पास शूज कितने हैं, तुम्हारे पास कपड़े कितने हैं, हाउ मेनी ड्रेसेस यू हैव एंड दिस एंड दैट, आपके पास ये कितना है वो कितना है, ऐसा कुछ पूछा जाता था जब उसे. तो मैडी डिड नॉट लाइक इट. वाई? देयर इज अ रीजन बिहाइंड दिस. मैडी वॉज पुअर हरसेल्फ. She usually wore somebody's hand-me-down clothes. Hand-me-down का मतलब किसी के द्वारा छोड़े हुए कपड़े, second hand clothes. Hand-me-down means someone has given her to wear, means old clothes. She was equally poor. Thank goodness she did not live up in Boggins Heights. Thank goodness, शुक्र है, she does not live in Boggins Heights और हैव अ फनी नेम. वो अपने आप को एक शुक्रगुजार मानती है ईश्वर का कि कम से कम वो बॉगिन्स हाइट में नहीं रहती और उसका नाम भी फनी नहीं है. नेम इज सिंपल. समटाइम्स व्हेन पेगी वाज आस्किंग वेंडा दोज क्वेश्चन in that mocking polite voice, Maddie felt embarrassed and studied the marbles in the palm of her hand. Means even she is such a girl that when Peggy used to ask that how many dresses and how many shoes you have, and Peggy used to make fun of Wanda, she मतलब Maddie felt embarrassed. Embarrassed means ashamed. उसको शर्म आती थी इन सब चीज़ों से. And studied the marbles in the palm of her hand. और वो इस चीज़ से अपना ध्यान हटाने के लिए अपने हथेली में जो मार्बल्स होते थे, यानी कि गोलियां होती थी कांच की, उनकी तरफ देखना शुरू कर देती थी. रोलिंग देम अराउंड एंड सेइंग नथिंग हरसेल्फ. वो खुद कुछ नहीं कहती थी. शी kept quiet. Not that she felt sorry for Wanda exactly. It does not mean that she was sorry for Wanda. She would never have paid any attention to Wanda. उसने वेंडा की तरफ को भी कोई अटेंशन भी नहीं दिया. If Peggy hadn't